Did you know that legacy hardware bottlenecks cause over 50% of production delays in manufacturing? Several manufacturing organizations are still relying on aging VAX systems to power their critical operations. When these aging systems reach capacity limits, they don't just slow operations, they can bring entire production lines to a grinding halt. Meet Flexi-Coil, Canada's largest farm machinery manufacturer and industry leader for years, relied on a VAX 4000 Model 500 running critical man-man ERP software. The critical challenges they faced: VAX system at full capacity, CPU, memory, and I/O maxed. Weekend batch runs taking 30 hours to complete. Single point of failure, legacy hardware hindering operations. Unable to scale to meet growing business demands. Delays in production. Stromasys introduced Charon-VAX virtualization software as a complete alternative to traditional hardware upgrades. Creates a perfect replica of your VAX environment on modern servers to run legacy applications. No coding changes, no system modifications. Gain freedom from aging hardware constraints and achieve enhanced performance. The results were nothing short of extraordinary. The first man-man ERP software report that previously took 42 minutes on the outdated VAX now completed in just 7 minutes. A critical batch job dropped from 10 grueling hours to just 2.5 hours. 2 times performance with rock-solid stability that convinced Flexi-Coil to complete their full rollout. Here's what the customer had to say. Don't let legacy VAX systems slow your business down. See how Charon-VAX can improve performance by up to 2 times. Learn more at www.stromasys.com.